Tired of bad hair days or split ends? Fed up with never-ending frizz? Hair fall got you down? You're not alone. In fact, nearly 70% of women say that they have trouble taming their hair. But don't despair. We've rounded up the best hair care tips to transform your damaged, tangled, and fragile hair so that you can finally have the beautiful, luscious hair you've been dreaming of. We will also be sharing a never-seen-before detangler to get rid of your tangles and prevent damage to your hair. Be sure to stick around to find out what it is. Let's get right into it. Maintain a healthy diet. What to eat? Healthy hair starts from within, which is why a balanced diet is essential for good hair care. Just like your skin, your hair is a reflection of your overall health. So if you're not eating right, it can show in the form of dull, lifeless hair. While there's no magic food that will suddenly give you Rapunzel-like tresses, incorporating certain nutrients into your diet can help promote healthy hair growth. Here are a few to keep in mind. Protein. One of the main building blocks of hair is keratin, which is a form of protein. Hence, if you're not getting enough protein, your hair will be weak and brittle. Including protein-rich foods like eggs is essential for strong, healthy strands. Sources such as fish, meat, chicken, broccoli, spinach, Brussels sprouts, chickpeas, beans, and nuts are all foods high in protein that will help to keep your hair looking lustrous. Omega fatty acids. In addition to protein, your hair needs essential fatty acids to be strong and healthy. These healthy fats are important to maintaining the moisture balance in your scalp and keeping your hair hydrated. Foods like salmon, tuna, avocados, olive oil, and nuts are all excellent sources of omega fatty acids. Adding these to your diet will help to keep your hair looking shiny. B vitamins. B vitamins can help improve healthy hair growth by revitalizing your cells to support your healthy hair follicle, as well as regenerating blood cells that feed your hair follicles to encourage more consistent growth. They also help the body metabolize protein, so it works hand in hand when eating protein as mentioned before. B vitamins like biotin help to prevent dry, brittle hair and keep the scalp moisturized. It is also important for the production of keratin, which strengthens the strands. Foods like eggs, chicken, beef, salmon, tuna, green peas, avocado, lentils, nuts, seeds, and dark leafy greens are all excellent sources of B vitamins. Adding them to your diet will help to keep your strands looking lustrous and prevent dryness and damage. Vitamins A, C, and E. These vitamins are important for maintaining healthy hair. Vitamin A helps promote sebum, which keeps the scalp moisturized. Foods like sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, and kale are all good sources of vitamin A. Vitamin C and E help to protect the cells in the body from damage. Vitamin C is also necessary for the production of collagen, which is important for hair growth. Vitamin C is found in fruits and vegetables like oranges, grapefruit, kiwi, red bell peppers, and strawberries, while foods like sunflower seeds, almonds, and spinach contain vitamin E. Adding them to your diet will help to keep your scalp healthy, protect your strands from damage, and promote healthy hair growth. Zinc. Zinc is a mineral that is important to keep the oil glands around the follicles working properly by regulating their activity. It also plays a necessary role in cell growth and tissue repair by helping the body produce new proteins. This means that zinc is necessary for keeping the scalp healthy and preventing hair loss. Foods like oysters, beef, pork, chicken, beans, chickpeas, lentils, cashews, almonds, and seeds like pumpkin, sesame, and flax seeds are all good sources of zinc. They'll help to promote healthy hair growth and keep your strands looking strong. Iron. Another mineral that is important for hair health is iron. It helps to carry oxygen to the cells and plays a role in the production of collagen. Iron deficiency can lead to hair loss. So, it's important to ensure an iron-rich diet. Foods like beef, chicken, beans, spinach, kale, dried fruits like raisins and apricots, and pumpkin seeds in your diet will help ensure you're getting enough iron. Adding these nutrient-rich foods to your diet can help promote healthy hair growth and prevent dryness, damage, and breakage. So, if you're looking to give your hair a boost, be sure to include these nutrients to your diet. We'll be going more into detail about the best nutrients and food for your hair in a future video, so be sure to subscribe. And turn on that bell notification icon to start your road to gorgeous hair. Use hair masks every once in a while. Every now and then, our hair could use a little extra TLC. Hair masks help deeply nourish and hydrate your strands, giving you back that gorgeous, healthy-looking hair. They help to restore moisture to your hair, can make it softer and shinier, repair damage, and give your hair a boost of nutrients. There are tons of different hair masks on the market, and you can even make your own at home, which means you can find one that's perfect for your specific hair type. If you have dry hair, look for a hydrating mask. If you have damaged hair, look for a repairing or strengthening mask. And if you just want to give your hair some extra love, look for a nourishing mask. Natural hair masks are better because they don't contain any harsh chemicals or artificial ingredients. They can be just as effective, if not more, than store-bought hair masks. The internet is filled with do-it-yourself recipes of natural hair masks to repair any kind of hair. An avocado and honey mask is perfect for dry or damaged hair. Coconut oil mask is another great one you can use. It's incredibly nourishing and will leave your hair looking healthy and shiny. Banana honey mask is best for dry and brittle hair. Egg yolk olive oil mask is good for all hair types. Yogurt egg mask is best for oily hair. Quick tip: be sure to detangle your hair before using hair masks. This will help spread the mask more evenly so you can cover up and nourish as much hair as possible. You'll love using TangleGenie to detangle your hair to keep it healthy. TangleGenie is designed to prevent hair from damage. The flexible bristles gently detangle without worrying about hair pulling, splitting, or falling out. Give it a try for tangle-free and healthy-looking hair. There are endless possibilities when it comes to natural hair masks, so don't hesitate to do some research and experiment until you find the one that works best for you. Try giving your hair this little extra love once a week consistently. You won't regret it. And hey, if you found a natural one that works great for you, don't hesitate to share the recipe in the comments below. We love sharing great tips with everyone. Speaking of others, if you made it this far and you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Thanks to your support, YouTube will be more likely to share this with others. The more people see it, the more people can be helped with tangled hair, all thanks to you. Make sure you let us know which of these tips worked best for you in the comments below. And be on the lookout for our next hair tips to keep your hair healthy by subscribing. Thanks for watching.